guys, good morning, happy Friday. Just finished doing chest PT, taking my pills, having breakfast earlier. Gonna do another nebulizer. We got some IV fluids running, and it is pretty crappy, the weather in New York today, if you guys could see. It's not the nicest out there. It's pretty rainy. So that's about it going on right now. This noise will drive you insane. Okay guys, let's see how my skills still are. I'm all the way back by the bed here. Swoosh. Hey guys, just finished having lunch. I am sitting in the chair like I was advised. My doctor called me a couch potato yesterday, which she is right. So I'm sitting in the chair and I just finished having some lunch. I had some pasta with chicken and string beans and some tomato cream soup. And now I'm just enjoying some decaf Lipton tea with some Splenda and lemon in it. And like I said, the weather is nasty out there. It's really coming down, the rain. And you can't even see the, well, now actually I could see the bridge again a little bit. I couldn't see it before. It got really foggy, so that's it. This is my exciting afternoon. Hey guys, I am back. My sugar was just 69. I was feeling really jittery, so the nurse, they gave me some juice, and I'm getting hungry, so I had a banana, and now I am having these delicious cookies. I'm only gonna have one, but these were cookies yesterday that my mother brought up for my birthday. So these are my favorite. I'm just gonna have one and then relax. And I'll probably have to wind up taking some insulin to cover for the cookie because the juice will cover for the low. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. And right now we got my medication IV running again. The second one that's done every 24 hours. So that's really it. And the rain seems to have calmed down a little bit out there, so yeah, that's all for today. Hey guys, so I forgot to give you guys an update. My sugar did come up, and now I'm just, there was a little fly, which I've been swatting at, and I can't get him. Maybe Rosario could get him when he gets here. I know he was just on his way here, parked in the car. He hit some traffic because the weather was just terrible today in New York, so I am having a little bit of Caesar salad, and we just ordered some Chinese food, so they'll be delivering it downstairs. Rosario will grab the food because he's starving, and I really haven't eaten that much because I just wasn't really hungry until now. And sorry, there's like lettuce stuck. My doctor came in earlier today and listened to my lungs and everything sounds good. I had the CAT scan done last night, as you guys will see in the other, as you guys have seen actually in the other video. And she said all is well. There was no scarring and everything looks great. So that's great. And then this afternoon we also did a echocardiogram, which waiting to get the results back because I tend to always get palpitations on certain medications, which we think it's, of course, just related to the meds, but just to play it safe, we're gonna, we just did an echocardiogram. We're gonna see the results. I'm sure everything is okay, God willing, but it doesn't hurt to check out, especially while we're here, so why not? Ta-da! Somebody enjoyed the salad. I think I may know who that person is. It is therapy number 2 time. Rosario got here earlier. We had some nice, delicious Chinese food, and we're really full. And he also made a discovery on the television that, wait, who's line of the here?
Hey guys, I'm in the hospital with Jill, and I have all the lights off. She just got a migraine out of nowhere, so the nurse just gave her an injection for the migraine, so hopefully that'll help, and this way she can at least fall asleep and get some rest. And I'm getting ready to go to bed also, and I'll be out of here about 7 a.m. I have to go to work in the morning, and I'll be back tomorrow night. And so I'm gonna say goodnight to you guys, and thank you guys for coming along our journey, and for, you know, continuing to support us, watching, commenting, and liking. If you enjoy what you've been seeing, definitely subscribe and share with your friends and family. We really appreciate it, and we'll catch you tomorrow.
Hey guys, good morning. I just finished having breakfast, and I'm about to go crazy over these 2 flies in the room, and I'm trying to kill them, but I can't get them. It was never this difficult to kill a fly before. I don't know why, but the 2 of them are like driving me nuts. So maybe I'll get them in a little while. But I hear other people getting chest PT, so I better hurry up because they're probably coming to me next. So I better get my nebulizers all done. That way when they get here, we could start chest PT and I won't have to keep them waiting. And today will probably be a quiet day. It's Saturday, so things are a little quieter in the hospital. And yes, I'm just gonna take some pills and then do the nebulizers, and that's really it. And my mother is on her way to come up and hang out for the day, so I should see her in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm dressed, and it is looking really, really nice outside. So hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see, it's getting nice and sunny, blue skies, little clouds, but it's getting really nice out. So I'm just gonna go for a walk in the hospital, of course. I'm gonna put on my mask, go for a little walk, come back and do my nebulizers. Having pizza, and I'm hanging out with my mother all day, and we discovered this game on the TV. It's like a little iPad thing, like a tablet, and she's doing really, really good. We're gonna get killed now. No, not you won't save us. She thinks we're gonna get killed. She always saves us. Don't let her fool you. Oh, we lost. We'll go for round 2. Oh, there you go. Don't let her fool you. She's very good at this game. Oh, no. Guys, look at how good Mama's getting. She is on level 9. She is really liking this game. Guys,
Level 12.
My mother got us to level 10. Rosario got us to level 11. And now I'm gonna probably mess up level 12.
And I just got creamed in a game of chess. So thought I had it, but I made one wrong move. Cost me the game.
Oh no. This isn't going good. Oh. I'm not a sharpshooter.
She's on level 16.
Yeah, I'm having a ball literally with all these.
You're having a ball with the ball.
What's the ball? Good.
So you're giving the middle finger to everybody.
I can switch back and forth here like this.
Just a little birthday gift from my mom to Jill.
I love it. It's so pretty.
It's got a little rose in the middle. Cool. Especially that Cystic Fibrosis Awareness Month.
And the sign of CF is a rose. So.
Cool. Taking a little walk down the hallways. It's quiet hour, so we can't really talk too loud.
Hey guys, we just got back from taking a walk. And it is pill time.
There's the pills, they never fail. They make her wanna wag her tail.
So I'm gonna take my pills, and my head is hurting again. So hopefully it stops and it doesn't go any further into a migraine. So I just hope it's a little headache, and that's all. And we will say goodnight in a little bit. We may watch a movie or something. And that's all.